If you are involved in content creation in any way, it is likely that the word you have heard the most is SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is generally the set of things you do to show your web page higher in search results. Like all technology-related phenomena, SEO rules change every year due to the increase in the number of web pages, and therefore staying high in the search results become more challenging. Today in Software's Land, we are going to discuss its latest changes. It may seem like a difficult task, but in fact, as said, SEO consists of a series of simple but vital actions. For example, one of the main tips to improve SEO in 2024 is not to shy away from updating the content you have published before. The next important point is that just like every year, links in the content will become more important this year. Do not neglect the importance of the blog. Having a blog with attractive content will be the most important form of your branding in 2024 and will help you establish your position in search results. This year, it is vital to prioritize optimizing your website for mobile devices as it greatly impacts user experience and SEO. Keep your web design simple and personalize your content to suit your users' needs. Google would prioritize your mobile site over your desktop site for determining your rankings. There are also other important points that we will talk about in a more specific way. In 2024, AI continues to play a crucial role in SEO. Or to be more precise, it will play the main role. It might even get to the point where you don't need any technical knowledge about SEO anymore just by knowing how to work with AI. But how can artificial intelligence make these things happen? With advancements in algorithm updates, particularly in understanding user intent through sophisticated machine learning, natural language processing (NLP) has further evolved, aiding search engines in comprehending content context. AI tools assist in content generation, optimization, and personalization. This allows content creators to produce original content without paying attention to the technicalities of SEO, relying only on their creativity and getting results much faster. On the other hand, automation of technical SEO tasks has become more advanced, allowing professionals to focus on strategic optimization efforts. The many changes that took place in the field of technology in 2023 taught us one thing well, that you must be flexible and adapt to changes as quickly as possible. So if I was going to say what is the keyword for success as a content creator, I must say that the answer in one word is adaptability. It is safe to say that if you do not follow this one principle, you will definitely not succeed. Probably all this complexity in producing SEO-friendly content will make you dizzy. But the thing is, you don't have to do everything on your own. Maybe the best strategy for SEO in 2024 is to use experts. There are professional teams like Software's Land's SEO team who can help you, as they are experts in this. Because the algorithms are always changing, and keeping up with these algorithms can have a negative impact on your creativity and affect your freedom of action in producing unique content. SEO continues to evolve, driven by advancements in technology, changes in user behavior, and updates from search engines. Staying informed about industry trends and adapting strategies accordingly is crucial for effective SEO. Since the complexities of SEO are increasing day by day, the best way to improve your content and increase traffic is to leave it to the experts. Because if you don't go the right way from the beginning, you have to spend a lot more money and time to go back to the first point and start again. Of course, neither you nor we want this, right?